My name is Belsien Thomas. I'm the Senior Director of Engineering at Aspiration. My background is in engineering and product development. Been doing it for about 20 years. And what brought me to Aspiration was the mission. I really loved what they were doing and saw that we can make an impact on the world. And so my background is technology, and really enjoyed what the product was here and what our company was doing and the mission of the business.
What do you value most in your work?
I think our mission is really the doing good, bringing some good impact to our customers, and bringing that out to hearing that there's value in the work, not just selling a product, but actually doing something that makes an impact and people enjoy using it. That's what's rewarding about our role here. And I can do that more than I can at other companies, so that's the most rewarding aspect of it.
What value do you bring to your users, and also what problem does your product solve?
Yeah, so our main focus is we're a mission-aligned climate company. So what we bring to our users is making sure their money is actually being used for climate change and helping improve the world, basically, and the planet. So none of our funds that you move into our company right now are being used to use any fossil fuels or do anything that can cause any negative climate impacts. So that's our value prop, our value differentiator, and really mission aligned to that mission of the making impact on the climate, on the planet.
Yeah, thank you. And what are the main challenges that you face building the product?
Sure. So we're a startup and scrappy team. So there are days that we have to pick and choose what features we want to bring to market that really can make an impact. So really delivering good value in a quick amount of time, with the right fit is always a challenge. Really struggling is finding the right product and then delivering it in a quick amount of time to market.
Mm-hmm. What made you decide to outsource an IT team?
Yeah, so one is value and cost. I mean, starting your own group is difficult. If finding the right resources can be expensive. Second of all, just experience. So you have to find people who've got that experience, who've done it before. Building up that team takes time, versus finding a good partner that already has that experience is really critical. So that's where we kind of looked around and said, hey, for the team that we have some expertise, but there are areas that are gaps that we wanted to bring in with mobile expertise, and that's where we came to Uptech.
And what are the main qualities that you're looking at when you're choosing a team?
Yeah, so I think engagement. We want to have that team feel like they're part of our team. Mm-hmm. We want to have that team, not feel like a contractor where they only go to the task, to the T, and then they don't, ask any other questions or go further than that. We really look for that, and want to have the really contractor or full-time employee in a remote environment. They're all the same in our eyes. So they should feel like they can engage with us and challenge the team and bring up good questions for our team to think about as well.
Oh, yeah, thank you. And if we're moving on to the Uptech team, actually, so maybe you had some concerns about, having an outsourced team, and you could also tell how Uptech tackled those concerns and how are they moving forward with you today? Yeah,
there are some concerns: availability, different time zones, are they going to be there if we need them, so we've had 4 years going on this relationship, and those concerns have all been answered. The team's been really solid, always available. Availability has never been a problem. Those are all key qualities that keeps our partnership strong.
Thank you. And what are the biggest achievements that you have on your project, and how Uptech has helped you to actually achieve them?
Yeah, so going on 4 years, there's been plenty of project launches, plenty of features we've launched. I think our one of our bigger projects was launching a credit card. We did launch a credit card as a brand new product line for the company, and total time, it took total commitment from the whole team. And so seeing that product come to launch, reviewing from design to implementation to feedback, all that, in a matter of a few months, we went from concept to launch. That was a very big achievement and took a lot of effort from the team. We similarly launched many, features, faster deposits, same-day cash deposits and early ACH. Many projects over the time, but probably credit stands out as one of our more ambitious projects. So.
Thank you for sharing that. And I will ask you also maybe name top 3 things that you like most about working with Uptech.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think the team engagement, as I said, I really feel like Uptech's team is really part of our team. In most of the contractors that we work, they only go to a point and then, it feels like they don't continue. But with, our team at Uptech, we have daily, conversations. We have, a lot of interaction with the team, and the team really feels like they are part of our team. And so that really becomes enjoyable to work with. Personally, the team is really engaged, and they're always asking for more and asking the right questions. Quality is really great too. So if there's a problem, the team really does and really know what they're doing, and that's never been an issue. So we find the quality is really good. I think they're just, feel like they're making an impact with our team. So same question there, where we feel like there's a synergy between the teams, and there's no separation from one or the other. So it's different working with Uptech than it has been working with many other contractors that we work with.
What would be your basically tips for any company that is looking for a tech partner?
Yeah, I would say interview the team. Go look, make sure their expertise aligns with what you need to have and your needs are. So what you need from the team, and talk to the team, talk to the clients that they've worked with, get firsthand recommendations from the team, and see how it is. You'll always hear more good or bad. You'll find the truth if you ask around. Definitely check their competencies, but really make sure that team is engaged and wants to make an impact with you. So proof is in the pudding. Ask around, and you'll find the truth there. So
thank you for today's interview. It's been a pleasure to work with you, and of course to continue working with you. You're our valued partner. And thank you for the interview and for everything. And I hope to see you once again when I come to LA.
Yes, it's great to have you come out here. And this is another, more than welcome to do these, interviews and help, share what we've learned from working with Uptech. So it's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.